In an interview with Greek television, Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras urged his country to say oxy to the terms of an international rescue deal being put to a referendum next week, despite Eurozone leaders warning on Monday that a no vote would mean an exit from the euro.
The cost is immense. Their plan is not to kick us out of the Eurozone. Their plan was to end hope that in Europe there can be an alternative policy.
Ahead of a Wednesday expiry date for Greece's current bailout, both sides have not ruled out a return to talks, but Athens has asked for better terms. Meanwhile, capital controls remain in place to stop a hemorrhage of deposits from Greek banks. Withdrawals are now limited to €60 a day as Greek lenders hold on to emergency liquidity from the European Central Bank, which decided not to increase its lending ceiling from €89 billion. As Athens residents queued up to get their cash, there was some panic, but some hope too.
We know that we will get our money back. There's no way we're going to lose it. But the issue is when. How will we live until we take it? Did they ask us? No, they never asked.
Greeks will have a say next week in a referendum called by the leftist government on whether to stay on an international bailout program in exchange for aid. But EU officials have argued the Greek people are not well informed about the weight of their decision.
I simply want to say that outside Greece, we have to know that the message a no would send would be disastrous for the future. Therefore, I would ask the Greek people to vote yes, independently of what the question asked will be.
Aside from a slide in the exchange rate on Monday, analysts say the euro, as a monetary union, has been undermined.
Indeed, capital controls within the euro area means that, a euro in Cyprus or Greece has a different value than, let's say, a euro in France or Germany. And that everybody knows that the euro area has major deficiencies. Its architecture has major flaws.
Until the Greek referendum is held, everything hangs in the balance. And whatever sweeteners the Eurozone was or is prepared to offer Greece in a revised proposal may entirely depend on how far the Greek government urges its voters to vote no next Sunday. Sandra Gatman, SABC News, Brussels.